Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up parental control on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. First you need to log out of all Google accounts on child's device. Open settings, scroll down, choose accounts and backup, choose manage accounts, choose device, choose account to remove, and remove account. Cool, now you need to log in on child's device in child's account. To do this, choose add account, Google, and now you need to know that if child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the family link protection, and therefore either you need to create an account for the child with a password that only you will know, or ask the child to change the password to one that he will not know but only you will know. So enter child's email, choose next, enter child's password, tap go, choose I agree, scroll down, choose accept, and cool. Now open Google, scroll down, choose parental controls, get started, child or teenager, next, choose child's account, and now you need to log in into parent account. Enter parent's password, choose go, scroll down, and now you need to confirm child's password. Choose agree, allow, wait a while, cool, your accounts are linked, so choose next, scroll down, next, scroll down, choose next, and tap skip, and go to home screen. Fine. Now after installation you need to setting up parental control on your device, on parent's device. So to do this, go to Play Market, go to Play Store, and install Family Link. I have installed, but I'm uninstall it now and install again, so wait a while. Choose open, now go down, choose get started, Cool. Now in this menu you'll see the child's account you just added. So select it. Here we see that we can fully control the child's phone. Block his phone if he uses it for a very long time, and you can also block a separate application. To do this, scroll down, choose more apps installed, choose more. Fine, here we can see all applications installed on this device, and now you can choose, for example, what I have here, Ballet Echo. So find Ballet Echo on your device, tap on this icon and choose black. Wait a while and fine, application was blocked. So thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, write comments, and goodbye. See you.